Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to introduce you all to Korean numbers. So, without wasting any more time, let's start. Okay, now there are two number systems in Korean language. One is the Sino-Korean number system and the other one is the native or pure number system. Okay, first we are going to learn about Sino-Korean number system. Now, what does this word Sino-Korean means? Sino-Korean vocabulary, it refers to those Korean words that are of Chinese origin. Okay, now you will notice that a significant part of the Korean vocabulary is comprised of Sino-Korean words. Okay, this is because of the influence of Chinese literature on Korean culture. So basically आप नोटिस करोगे कि कोरियन वोकैबुलरी जो है उसके अंदर कहीं ऐसे वर्ड्स हैं जिनका ओरिजिन चाइनीज लैंग्वेज से आता है. ओके, तो ऐसे वर्ड्स को हम कहते हैं साइनो कोरियन वर्ड्स. ओके, सिमिलरली देयर आर साइनो कोरियन नंबर्स. दे आर डिराइव्ड फ्रॉम चाइनीज कैरेक्टर्स. नाउ ऑल्दो दीज नंबर्स आर derived from Chinese characters, but still they are written in Hangul, that is the Korean script. Okay, इनका origin Chinese है, but ये लिखे जाते हैं Hangul में. Chinese में भी लिखे जा सकते हैं, ऐसा नहीं है कि इन numbers को हम Chinese language में नहीं लिख सकते, लेकिन क्योंकि हम Korean language पढ़ रहे हैं, तो इसीलिए Sino-Korean numbers can also be written in Korean script. Alright, now these Sino-Korean numbers, they are shorter and therefore easier to learn compared to the native Korean numbers. Okay, so this is a brief introduction about the Sino-Korean number system. Now let's talk about the native or pure Korean number system. This number system is relatively more modern than the Sino-Korean number system. Okay, अगर हम historically बात करें तो Sino-Korean number system पुराना है as compared to the native Korean number system. Now, what is the difference? These numbers, they are unique to Korean language. जब हम Sino-Korean की बात करते हैं, तो those numbers are derived from Chinese origin. But the native or pure, ये word खुद ही बता रहा है that these numbers, they are unique to the Korean language. And therefore, they are also referred to as pure Korean numbers. Okay? Now, as I said earlier, that Sino-Korean numbers, they are shorter and easier as compared to native Korean numbers. Why? Because native Korean numbers, they are composed of more complex words. You'll see this when we are going to learn the numbers in both of these number systems. Okay? Now, these two Korean number systems, they are used in different situations and for different purposes. Obviously, अगर दो number system है, तो इनका कोई reason होगा कि कब कौन से नंबर को यूज करना है, which set of numbers you have to use in a particular situation, right? So here is a list. ये complete list नहीं है. Okay, with time gradually you will learn when you have to use which set of numbers in a particular situation. These are only some situations where you can use a particular set of numbers. For example, Sino-Korean numbers, they are used for counting money, counting time in minutes particularly, while measuring height, weight and other, telling phone numbers and counting date. Now there are other things also, other situations also where Sino-Korean numbers are used. Okay, again I'm telling you, ये complete list नहीं है. With time gradually you will understand कि कब कौन सा number set use करना है. Okay, and native Korean numbers, they are used for counting age, counting people, counting things, counting time. टाइम में क्या काउंट करना है? आर. ओके, यहाँ पर नोटिस करना कि आर को हम नेटिव कोरियन नंबर में काउंट करते हैं और मिनट को साइनो कोरियन नंबर्स. ओके, नाउ इन दिस वीडियो यू आर गोइंग टू लर्न हाउ टू काउंट फ्रॉम 1 to 10 इन बोथ ऑफ दीज नंबर सिस्टम्स. ओके, बहुत बेसिक 1 to 10 की काउंटिंग हम लर्न करेंगे इस वीडियो में. फर्स्ट वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट विथ साइनो कोरियन नंबर्स बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली दे आर ईजियर टू लर्न. So let's do the easy thing first. Okay, how to say 1 in Sino-Korean number system? 1 is il. Okay, next comes 2, and that is E. E. Next, let's see 3, and that is Sum. Sum. Now we all know 4, and 4 is Sa. Sa. Next comes 5, and that is O. O. Next is 6, and that is Yuk. Yuk. Okay, now we all know what will come. 7, and that is Chill. Chill. Now comes 8, and that is Pal. Pal. Next is 9, and 9 is Ku. Ku. And the last one is 10, and 10 in Sino-Korean system is Ship. Ship. Okay, so here is a list of numbers from 1 to 10 so that you can revise them quickly. Il, E, Sam, Sa, O, Yuk, Chil, Pal, Ku, Ship. Okay, they are very easy to remember because they are only one syllable words, right? So that is why we say that Sino-Korean numbers are easier as compared to the native Korean numbers, because native Korean numbers mostly 2 or more than 2 syllables se bante. Okay, now we are going to look at the native or pure Korean numbers. Okay, 1 in native Korean number system is Hana. Hana. 2 is Thul. Thul. Next comes 3, and that is Set. Set. Next is 4, and that is Net. Net. Okay, now comes 5, and that is Thasot. Thasot. Okay, now comes 6, and that is Yosot. Yosot. Now let's see 7, and 7 is Ilkob. Ilkob. Okay, next comes 8, and that is Yothol. Yothol. Next is, we all know, 9, and that is Ahop. Ahop. And the last one is 10, and that is Yol. Yol. Okay, so the first 10 native Korean numbers are Hana, Thul, Set, Net, Thasot, Yosot, Ilkob, Yothol, Ahop, Yol. Okay, now you can notice that they are comparatively difficult to learn than the Sino-Korean numbers. Okay, but don't worry, with time and with practice you will be able to learn these numbers, because you have to. If you want to learn Korean language, then you have to learn the numbers, obviously. Okay, so today we learned numbers from 1 to 10 in both the Sino-Korean number system and the native Korean number system. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.